Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is T.shirt my love, and today we have a DIY. We have a transformation. We are going to be transforming this t-shirt into a good top. So I'm going to be taking the measurements just in case you want to change or transform your t-shirt into this exact design. Of course, you're going to be following, so follow along and see what you're going to do. So first of all, I'm going to be taking the length of the top. I'm going to make it a crop top, and then I'm going to eliminate this hand and I leave this. So I hope that is understandable. So you can make the length of your choice. This is my choice, and we are going to be using inches. So when you're taking your length measurements, you start from the shoulder, in the middle of the shoulder to your breasts, and I want my top to be here, so I'm going to take 15 inches plus 1.5 inches for hemming. I'm going to make a big hem, so that's why I'm taking 1.5.